Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock this device without password. Okay, but in the beginning I would say that please only unlock your devices, in no other case someone else's, because that's a crime and that's also unethical, so only unlock your devices. Second thing is that we need to perform the factory reset through the recovery mode and everything will be erased. You also need to have that in mind. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get to the setup process, we'll have to sign in into the same Google account into which we are signed in on this device before the reset. So have that in mind. That's called Google account verification. Okay, if you want to continue, follow my steps. The device is protected with the password, and now we need to power off our phone, so click the power key and volume up and select power off. Oh, my bad. First, we need to perform the force restart, because without screen lock we won't have possibility to turn off the device. So hold power key and volume up, keep holding until the screen turns off, and then we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to start holding the power key and volume down. Okay, now power key and volume down, keep holding. Okay, now using volume keys, we need to find recovery mode and then confirm by clicking the power button. Now hold power key and click volume up. Using volume keys, select wipe data/factory reset. In here we have the thing that I was talking about before. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. That's the thing that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. And now, confirm by clicking the power button, select factory data reset, confirm, select reboot system now and confirm once again. Now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. We'll see the setup process on our screen, and later during the setup we'll have this Google account verification and we'll have to sign in into the Google account that was associated with this device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.